Hevy versus Boostcamp. Choosing the right workout app can transform your fitness journey without confusion or waste of time. Hevy offers detailed tracking, while Boostcamp focuses on guided training and community support. Hevy and Boostcamp are two popular workout apps designed to boost your fitness. The main difference lies in Hevy's emphasis on comprehensive workout logging, while Boostcamp centers on structured coaching and motivation through social features. Hevy is a workout tracker app designed to help users log and monitor their strength training and fitness progress with precision. It works by allowing you to input exercises, sets, reps, and weights, creating detailed workout logs that track improvements over time. Hevy's strengths include an intuitive interface, customizable workout plans, and powerful progress charts that give clear insights into your gains. It also supports rest timers and notes, making it easy to stay organized during workouts. However, Hevy lacks built-in coaching or guided workouts, so it's best suited for users who already know their routines and want to focus on tracking and analyzing performance. Their users are strength trainers and fitness enthusiasts who value data-driven progress and prefer to build their own workout plans without relying on preset programs or social interaction. Hevy's straightforward approach makes it a solid choice for those serious about tracking every detail of their training. Boostcamp is a workout app designed around guided training programs and community motivation. It offers professionally designed workout plans that cater to various fitness levels and goals, from beginners to advanced athletes. Boostcamp works by providing step-by-step coaching through video demonstrations and real-time feedback, helping users maintain proper form and stay motivated. Its strengths include interactive challenges, social features that encourage accountability, and a focus on holistic fitness, including strength, cardio, and mobility. The app also tracks progress, but with less emphasis on detailed logging compared to Hevy. Limitations include fewer customization options for workouts and a heavy reliance on following preset programs, which may not suit users wanting full control over their routines. Boostcamp is ideal for those who want structure, expert guidance, and a social environment to stay inspired. It's perfect for users who prefer coaching and community support to push their fitness journey forward. When comparing Hevy and Boostcamp, the choice depends on your fitness style. Hevy excels at detailed workout tracking, ideal for those who design their own routines and want data to analyze progress. It's perfect for strength trainers focused on numbers and personal records. Boostcamp, on the other hand, offers guided workouts and community-driven motivation, making it a better fit for users who thrive on coaching, challenges, and social engagement. If you prefer flexibility and logging every rep and set, Hevy is the way to go. But if you want expert guidance and a sense of accountability through a fitness community, Boostcamp stands out. Both apps track progress, but Hevy's detailed logs contrast with Boostcamp's structured programs. The trade-off is between autonomy and support, so your preference for self-guided or coached workouts will determine the best fit. Choose Hevy if you want a powerful, customizable workout tracker focused on strength training and detailed progress analysis without preset workout restrictions. Opt for Boostcamp if you value guided workouts, expert coaching, and community support to stay motivated. It's ideal for those seeking structure and social accountability in their fitness journey. Both apps are excellent but cater to different workout preferences and goals.